Is this seal on your dryer cracked or damaged? Well, this is Eric, Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace it. These instructions apply to dryers made by Whirlpool, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new door seal, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The door seal is located on the inner door panel or on the edge of the door glass. When the dryer's door is closed, this seal helps hold heat and moisture inside the dryer's drum during operation. If the seal becomes worn or damaged, it can hurt the dryer's performance and should be replaced. To access the door seal, first we'll need to open the dryer's door. Then remove these 4 screws using a T20 Torx bit. Lift to remove the door from the dryer. Next, set the door on a soft surface to avoid scratching or damaging it. To separate the door panels, remove these 13 Phillips head screws. Do not remove any of the Torx head screws as they hold other components like the glass, the hinge, and the spring catch in place. Next, lift on the inner door panel to separate it from the outer door panel. Set the outer door panel aside for later. Flip the inner door panel over so that the brackets and the inside of the glass are facing up. The door glass is being held in place by these 4 brackets. To remove the glass, we'll first need to remove this top bracket entirely and loosen the other brackets. Install 2 pieces of tape here and here to hold the glass in place when removing the bracket. Carefully flip the door back over. On the front of the inner door panel, remove these 2 T20 screws. Now, carefully remove the top bracket. Then, loosen these 2 sets of Torx screws slightly to free them from the panel. Do not remove them entirely, or the glass may fall out. Carefully flip the panel back over and remove the tape on the other side. Remove the tape and slide the glass up to remove it from the door. Then, carefully remove the seal by pulling on it towards the inside of the door. If you need to purchase a new door seal, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. To install, align the thicker side of the door seal so that it faces the inside of the door panel and the thinner side towards the door glass. Align this groove on the seal to the inner edge of the door panel and push it into place. Make your way around the seal till it is fully in place on the inner door panel. Align the glass to the inner door panel with the flat sides on either side of the door. Make sure that the glass slides behind these brackets. Install 2 pieces of tape here and here to hold the glass in place. Carefully flip the door back over. Align the bracket to the inner door panel with this groove facing the glass and install the 2 screws. Then tighten the bracket screws and make sure not to over-tighten them to avoid breaking the glass. Flip the door panel over and remove the tape from the glass. Now is a good time to double check to be sure that the glass is fully seated in the brackets and centered on the door gasket. As you can see, ours is slightly off-centered and not resting in this bottom bracket correctly. To fix this, you can stand the door upright with these 3 brackets facing down. Slightly loosen the lower brackets and slide the glass fully into place. Then, be sure to fully tighten the screws on all of the brackets again. Now is also a good time to clean the inside of the door glass. Set the inner door panel aside and grab the outer door panel for reinstallation. To align the door panels, insert the side with the hinge assembly first and work your way around the panels to make sure that the inner door panel is sitting on the inside of the outer door panel. Then, press down on the door catch cover to snap the two panels together. Install the 13 Phillips head screws to secure the door together. We suggest doing this by hand to avoid damaging or breaking the plastic mounts and threads. Align the retainers on the door hinge to these slots on the front panel. Then, install the 4 T20 screws to secure the door to the dryer. Close the door and make sure that it is working properly. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. For more videos like this, please consider subscribing.